I am now going to chant Chatushloki Bhagavatam, important 4 verses from Srimad Bhagavatam. It is important because it is spoken by Lord Krishna himself to none other than Lord Brahma, telling about the nature of personality of God, effectively Krishna, in these 4 verses. They come in the second canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th chapter, and these 4 shlokas numbers are 33, 34, 35, 36. Reading this and meditating on the meaning of this will benefit everyone very nicely, giving about the nature of God in a nutshell. So I will be singing these 4 verses. First, Aham evasam evagre nanyad yat sat asat param paschat aham yadetacha yo vasishyeta sosmyaham. Second shloka. ऋतेर्थं यत् प्रतीयेत न प्रतीयेत चात्मनि तद्विद्यात् आत्मनो माया यथा भासो यथा तमः. Third verse. यथा महान्ति भूतानि भूतेषु चावचेष्वनु प्रविष्टान्यप्रविष्टानि तथा तेषु न तेष्वहम्. Fourth verse. एतावत् एव जिज्ञास्यं तत्त्वजिज्ञासुनात्मनः अन्वयव्यतिरेकाभ्यां यत् स्यात् सर्वत्र सर्वदा. हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.